Welcome and welcome back to another edition of Daisy's Stews. Okay, so I'm just starting off on pre-pooed hair. I pre-pooed it overnight, and I'm just going to go straight into clarifying my hair with a shampoo. Now I'm going to be using this amla oil shampoo. It is quite cleansing. You literally feel your hair getting squeaky clean. I'm going to be using this because I'm going to have my hair in a protective style. And if you follow me on Instagram, we already spoke about this, and just kind of demonstrating to you guys how I'm going to be preparing my hair for box braids. So yes, this is my blowout routine, but this is how I also prepare for my protective styles. So yep, I'm just going to clarify my hair. This does have sulfates in it, and it is quite stripping, and that is the reason why I had pre-pooed the previous night, or I pre-pooed my hair overnight, just to make sure that I am able to protect my hair from dryness and hydro fatigue. Now, as y'all have seen already, I started by washing my hair in twists so that I can actually have that ultimate, I can say ultimate English, but that optimal access to my scalp. And now I'm going to be using the one that I used in my wash day routine, which is the one that I often use. I don't really like washing my hair in twists, to be honest with you, because my hair does have a tendency of becoming a dreadlock, and it ends up causing breakage when I'm trying to remove those dreadlocks. So yes, this is actually my favorite method of shampooing. As you can see, it is still in sections, just in a different way. So I'm just going to move on to deep conditioning, and this is my favorite part of it all. And so I'm going to be using a deep conditioner which kind of has both moisture and protein in it. So because remember, like I said, that I'm going to be having my hair in a protective style, and I'm also going to be using heat on my hair, so I want to really make sure that I've got that moisture protein balance. So if you're on a rice water journey, this would be the perfect time for you to use your rice water along with your moisturizing deep conditioner. I know I still owe you guys like an update on my experience with rice water amongst with other ladies that I actually had the challenge with. I'm going to definitely give it to y'all very soon, so just be patient with me with that. So yes, you do want to have both protein and moisture as you are deep conditioning, so you can actually choose to maybe use a protein treatment and then head on to a moisturizing treatment at once. But I just decided to use something or a product that would provide both can I say components that would give me both of it. Guys, my English. Yeah, if you did watch my previous video on low porosity hair, this is, I just decided to just show you guys how it actually does look like. You see that white cast? Yeah, that's what low porosity hair does. And so you really do need to put some sort of heat to make sure that it actually penetrates your hair shaft. I mean, there are so many options you can use. I'm going to show you one of them. And guys, I shamelessly use plastic bags. Like, I shamelessly use them. You can call me the spa lady, you can call me the checkers lady, you can call me, I think if y'all are watching from like America, y'all can call me the Walmart lady. I don't care. This is what I do. This is what I do. And then I actually put my heating thingy hat on top, and then deep condition my hair in peace. So after, guys, a few hours, to be honest with you, remember I have low porosity, so I just really wanted the heat from my scalp to really work on it. Then I'll just head on to moisturizing. So I'm using my DIY aloe leave-in conditioner that I made a few weeks ago. So even if you haven't watched that, you should definitely, like, aloe is such an amazing product, guys. I won't lie. And then I'll just head on to my oil, and I'm going to be using Jamaican castor oil. I'm just trying it out, to be honest. Like, I'm one of those people that if I find something that works for me, I kind of stick to it. So I've been using olive oil for the longest time, but I thought, hey, let me try some Jamaican castor oil and see how it actually works on my hair. And the next product I'm using is shea butter, and again, you guys will see that yeah, my low porosity hair will just let the product sit on top. So usually I will try and really work it in as much as I can, and then I'll just allow it to just rest and get into the hair over time. Usually I'll do it in smaller sections, but today, because I'm blowing out my hair and I'm not really going to have this twist long term, just working with a little bit larger sections, if you could say. And then I'm going to braid my hair now. There's a reason why I'm braiding my hair. I just wanted to start stretching itself so long before I get to using the blow dryer, because I don't want to have to use too much heat or to have to do too many passes on my hair. I'm just going to braid it as I wait for that moisture to really get into my hair. So I'm just going to do the rest of my hair and then come back. So to save time, and honestly to save space as well, because this always has space issues, I've already gone ahead and blow dried the rest of my hair, and now I'm just going to be showing you guys how I use the tension method to blow dry my hair. So I'm setting my dryer to the lowest setting, and then I'm going to start from the roots, just because really I'm just blowing out my hair mostly for my box braids to sit properly. So I just really try and focus mostly on the roots and then the rest of the hair. So I just brush my hair after that, and then work my way up. But guys, I'm going to show you again in another clip. I honestly don't know where the clip where I showed you guys on this section went to, but just stay tuned, because I'm about to show you guys again on this next section. So yeah, you also realize as well, we're talking about low porosity earlier on, you also realize that my hair actually didn't dry, because I started washing my hair like early in the morning and then did my moisturizing routine and everything. This is like much later and my hair is still wet. So my hair is really, really low porosity. So again, I'll start from the roots and then work myself all the way to the rest of the strands. So I just kind of just pull my hair, and then I let the hair dryer or blower to just go over the strands, if that makes sense. So instead of using a comb like they would in a salon, where they'll take a comb and be like on your hair, actually just use my hands and then just stretch I also use this on my clients and they love it. And voila, guys, this is how my hair is looking, all shiny and stuff, all blown out and stuff, and looking good and everything. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Make sure that you guys like, subscribe. It's lit here. It's lit. I don't know why you wouldn't want to join the family. It's lit. So yeah, guys,